Hello, I know you have difficulty signing up for our course. So just to show you, when you are on the Fetch page, that's the link I sent you. Just click Apply Now. It will bring you to Sign In page. You don't have username or password yet, so you need to pick Not registered yet. Click here. Okay. This will bring you to registration page. You can pick to register with your email address or with the mobile number. If you prefer mobile number, just click. Okay, or you can have it with your email address, whatever you prefer. Okay, you fill in your details here, your first name, your last name, and you choose a password. Okay, you have to click that you are not a robot and that you agree to terms and conditions, and this will allow you to register. I hope this is helpful. Bye.